Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our weekly trading results. Now, I've tried to find some pairs that we have already positions, but some of them and also some that we couldn't not discuss. I will start with USD and you can see on our live room we have already met our first target and we are going for our win-win scenario. What happened here? We saw a nice opportunity, price breaking our resistance area, and we combined that with higher lower settings. Of course, if you were a little bit earlier, what happens is you could have gone with the first M6. I know it wouldn't be that nice of a retracement. I mean, with an entry like 20, and price has already gone 80 pips, more than 2 times. Or if you went with an M12, here your APO would be like 40 pips, going for the second target. Like I said, price has a lot of potential. You can see also a huge trend line here was broken and price is already moving up. So let's delete the noise and continue to CAD CHF. So here again, the vertical line here is the beginning of the week. We were already in that trade. Again, you see here we are going for a win-win scenario, but you could have combined that with another M12 entry here with this small retracement. We look at the history, we see what price is doing, and again you can see here if you were long with 40 pips, you have your first target and still going. In lower settings, probably, of course, you would have your win-win scenario. Euro CHF. Again, after a really nice combination, you could see here higher settings, lower settings combination. You can see my lines here is me drawing what I'm looking for. And again, at the beginning of the week, we saw price retracing. We were already in anyway. We are in anyway. We have our win-win scenario. Logged profits 35 pips, last position running 100 pips. So what happened here? Another opportunity with lower settings. We had volatility. Again, like 20, 25 pips. Price moved like 75, 80 pips. Again, win-win scenario. But actually, you can see my long term, my last position goes for these almost 300 pips. That's why I always brainwash you to leave your last position running like forever. Now, you will see exactly what I mean here with oil. Oil, on the beginning of the week, we had, let me show you something. Okay, here I had a retracement below my resistance and then I had some opportunities. On lower settings, of course, again, what happened? Price went, created a false breakout, and then, let me clear this. It gave me an opportunity. Again, 50 pips, already priced, reached 300 pips. Remember, we are trading with 3 positions. Now, if you remember, again, we were long here. So what happened? I trailed my last position's APO below 36 EMA. below my trend line. And what happened? Price went there and kicked me out. Why is that? So this is also a nice opportunity telling you why you should trail your APO every second retracement. Of course, if you remember, we already had our first target with 500 pips, 600 pips our second, 600 plus our third. Price has already reached 1000 pips and still going. Where? Here. You remember on the live room I said I want to target this area. So what happens now? I need to try to find another opportunity. I already had it. But if I wasn't stopped out here, following the strategy, leaving my APO below the previous retracement, I would still be in that trade without trying now to find another opportunity. I had my M48 retracement and I have my M24, although 0.2 is higher than this one, but what we have remains. We are talking about like 50 pips of an APO, like I said, 300 already for many of you. Now if we go to CHF also, you see here, this is my entry. I had some pending orders at this point, and again APO like 50 pips already, almost win-win scenario, because many of you go with an M6, definitely you have your win-win scenario already. So that's why today I try to find and explain positions that we are already in. We have many things to look for in our top-down approach on Monday. Only with these trades we had 15 times our APO, almost 600 pips. And everything will be monitored, of course, Monday, updating our watch list and continue with our profits. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend and see you again on Monday morning. Stay safe, everybody. Cheers.